Hey traders, Chainlink, also known as Link, is up about 6% this week, now trading around $9.18. What's really catching attention? Strong 24-hour trading volume signaling growing interest from traders. But here's the big question. Is this the start of a bullish momentum or just another trap before a pullback? If buying pressure continues, Link could push higher. But if volume fades, we might see a quick correction, so stay cautious, watch the charts, and don't jump in blindly. What do you think, breakout or fake out? Also, quick update, we've just released our latest Link crypto price prediction update, support and targets revealed. Big moves could be ahead for Link crypto. We've just dropped our latest analysis with key support levels and price targets you don't want to miss. If you'd like deeper insights, check out our Patreon page, link in description and comments. There's also a starter plan available for just $10 if you want to try it out. Got a specific chart you want analyzed? Feel free to DM me anytime. Happy to take requests. Catch all the details via the link below. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.